Tired of countless tabs for chats when working on documents? In OnlyOffice, you can communicate via Telegram without leaving editors. Open Telegram in the Plugins tab. If you don't see the plugin, it needs activating. It's easy. Find the guide in the description. Then, just sign into Telegram using your phone number or QR code. The list of your chats will appear on the left side panel. Start chatting. No more switching between tabs or entering numbers. You stay signed in as long as you want to. Have any ideas of plugins OnlyOffice should integrate? Leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.